Attention, health champions. If you're ready to master the science of fasting and transform your health, hit that subscribe button and join the Purely Health Tips family. Don't miss our deep dives into longevity, metabolism, and cutting-edge wellness strategies. Let's unlock your body's full potential together. The 100-hour water fast, a masterclass in cellular rebirth. Why 100 hours? 4 days is the sweet spot for activating profound healing without pushing the body into prolonged stress. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your metabolism, immune system, and cellular repair pathways, all while keeping it safe and sustainable. The science of fasting, day by day. Day 1, 0 to 24 hours, depleting glycogen, the metabolic shift phase, transition from fed state to ketosis, fuel mix, 50% glucose, from liver glycogen, 50% fat, hormonal symphony, down arrow insulin crashes, halting fat storage, glucagon rises, releasing stored glucose, cortisol nudges up, fueling gluconeogenesis. Key takeaway: hunger pangs and fatigue are normal here. Your body is learning to tap into fat. Patience is power. Day 2, 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to ketosis, the brain's new fuel mix. 90% fat, 10% glucose. Superpowers activated. BDNF, a brain-derived neurotrophic factor, surges boosting neuroplasticity. HGH, human growth hormone, skyrockets up to 5 times, preserving muscle and torching fat. Autophagy 101. Your body becomes a recycling machine, breaking down damaged cells and proteins. This is cancer prevention and anti-aging in action. Pro tip: sip electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are your fasting besties. Day 3, 48 to 72 hours. Deep ketosis, the regeneration phase. Fuel mix, 95% fat, 5% glucose, from glycerol and triglycerides. Cellular spring cleaning, autophagy peaks, clearing dysfunctional cells. Stem cells activate, repairing tissues and joints. Inflammation plummets. Goodbye chronic pain. Fun fact: humans and bears are the only mammals that efficiently use ketones for brain fuel. Evolution gifted us this hack to survive and thrive without food. Day 4, 72 to 100 hours. The longevity switch repair mode dominates, gut healing accelerates, bye-bye leaky gut. DNA repair genes, sirtuins, activate, slowing aging. Mental clarity and euphoria often emerge. Professors note, this is where true cellular magic happens. Your body isn't just surviving, it's upgrading. Top 5 benefits of a 100-hour fast insulin sensitivity reset. Fights diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Immune system reboot. Fresh, youthful white blood cells replace old ones. Neurogenesis boost. Sharper brain, better memory. Cancer defense. Autophagy destroys precancerous cells. Inflammation reset. Eases arthritis, allergies, and autoimmune flare-ups. Safety. First, Professor's Protocol checkmark. Electrolytes, 3 to 5 grams sodium, 1 to 3 grams potassium, 400 milligrams magnesium daily. Adapt first. Eat low-carb for 3 days pre-fast to ease the transition. Listen to your body. Stop if dizzy, weak, or with irregular heartbeats. Avoid if underweight, pregnant, or with adrenal fatigue. Evolution's gift. Why humans thrive on fasting. Our ancestors didn't have 24/7 buffets. Fasting is coded into our DNA. Unlike most animals, humans can fuel their brains with ketones, sparing muscle mass. This let us evolve bigger brains and outsmart predators, not starve. Final thought. A 100-hour fast isn't about deprivation. It's about giving your body the ultimate tune-up. But remember, knowledge without action is wasted. Start small, stay curious, and always prioritize safety. Want more life-changing health masterclasses? Subscribe to Purely Health Tips and hit the bell. Your journey to effortless vitality starts here.